What's up, everybody? Welcome to early Christmas. If you don't feel like that, you gotta get your money right. Today was Pal, and Pal gave us a gift. If you didn't check that out, basically, projections slightly raised for interest rates, a little bit of bearish sprinkle. Not that it's going to mean a whole lot for the markets, I don't think, but we had this huge run up and the gap fill, and the market is down today. So we got our wish. So with all this wiggle, we didn't miss nothing, and we're just slowly going to start stacking our chips up. So what that means is today is shopping day, right? We don't have any positions. We're all in cash. So let's go see what we can get into. We're going to go as heavy as we can. Yeah, if you're not excited about a little bit of bearishness or that the recession might creep in or um, that stock prices are going to be suppressed for a super long period of time, several years, you really got to get your money right because it's super good news for anybody that knows how to manage money. And I'm excited to get our investment account going because then we'll start stacking assets that we don't sell. You know, buying and selling is cool, and it's what poor people, in my opinion, have to do in order to get some kind of footing going, just because they don't have enough time. There's not enough time in their life to build real wealth. All right, wow. I have quite the list here. So, we're going to start here with BAC. That's on my universe of stocks. That's a buy and hold forever stock for me. Uh, PEs are around 10 for a bank. That's what we're looking for. Perfect. Nice dividend. Debt's under 4. It's high for a bank, though. All the metrics here, they make money consistently, and institutions are buying this. So this is a buy for me. Or you don't have to buy all these if you don't have all the cash or whatnots, and you should do your own research. I did do 5 trades today. If you want to see those, link is in the description. It's totally free. It's just where I post pictures. B to the A to the C. Got your math ready? You ready? Looks like 32.28 is the split here. Let's go ahead and see if we can get some of this. It'd be nice to get it done while the market's open. It's after hours, obviously, but because that is the whole premise for the whole deal, is so that folks can not get left out. Good to cancel with the extended, right? And we're going to want to sell order too. What's our sell price going to be? Or what limit? Good till cancel. Pause the video if you need to. You kind of need to figure it out for yourself. That's what I come up with. 32.28 for the spreadsheet. We're trying to keep our positions around 1% of our total account, but we just have a super small account, so it's time to burn and churn. All right, so that one's in. Next candidate. I'm just going to go till we run out of money. Cadence Bank. Yeah, not too big on that one. Here we go here. For DBI. We've done this one before. Got a dividend. Low PE. Low debt. They make money. Institutions are selling it, which looks like what's creating this opportunity. 10.06 for DBI. We'll look at some of the other banks in a second, but the reason I'm skipping over them now is because today's news has to do with interest rates, okay? And sometimes it's better to let the dust settle. on interest rates. First triggers the second. You may think that interest rates going up is good for banks, and it can be, but banks make their money in a lot of different ways. And if you don't fully understand how they make their money, it's going to be really hard for you to make an informed decision that has any weight. What's the sell price here? Pause it if you need to. Try to make 10 cents, right? There you go. 10.06 on DBI. All right. Let's get the order in. Hopefully I put that in right. In order. I put it in wrong, didn't I? What happens when you get in a hurry? All right. Now, one thing we will keep in mind is our 3-day trades, okay? So we're not going to do more than 3 that we're actually going to sell, because that is our first trigger's a second. 10.06. See, when you get in a hurry, I got other things I want to do right now. But this is only going to take a few minutes, and this will hugely change my income over time. All right. Here we need to pop it up. There we go. Good till cancel with the extended, but I did catch it. Okay. There's a bot. I don't know why it didn't buy the last time, but it did this time. All right. So we need to find one more. Smith and Wesson is another one. This one is a bank that's. We did Bank of America though. That's my thing. I like this one too. This is my universe of stocks. Let's do this one because of the dollar amount. And you can see this huge gap. I've been playing this very aggressively. Do the average here, that's a 22. So in half is 11. It's close to 10. Everything looks good. Everything's fine. MTB, that's the one we're going for. Because we got to get some dollars into the market. I mean, doing $10, $20 at a time ain't going to really get us there that fast. Put the mark in there, 143.79, and this will give us 3 positions and give us some good exposure to the market. So if the market continues to fall, we'll have some more money to get back in. But we do want to get the money in. That is our number 1 goal here, is to get the money in. All right, what's the sell price going to be? I might have to use a calculator on that one. 43.79. Looks like 145.22. If you don't know how I got that, I took this buy price times 1.01. Good till cancel with the extended. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So out of 360, we got 176 left. So we put about half of it in. There we go. All good till cancel. What do we put that one in for? I had to open 143.79. I would like to put it all in. But the problem is we can't get all out. And the way the wiggle is set up for this strategy that I use, you have to be able to get out. If you can't sell, we only got 3 of them we can do. So we should only be buying 3 a day. Now, if more come on the list tomorrow, we can buy different positions and leave these to sell. That won't be a day trade, right? But if you buy and sell on the same day, and this shouldn't be a buy and sell on the same day because we bought it tonight, right? And that's part of the power of the strategy, doing this after hours. You put the orders in after the regular markets close, but hopefully you get them in before the pre-market closes, which for this broker I believe is 7 p.m. Eastern. So it gives you some time to get home and get it done, but get it done first. This is the first thing I do when I walk in the door. And then I hit the family up, right? It's only going to take 10 minutes, but it's important. And it's beneficial to everybody in the family. So if you don't see it that way, and it's not really that important to you, you're probably not going to get very far anyway. But hopefully you're seeing some dollars. We got some profits. The market's way down for the year. We're putting a little bit of cash in. We'd love to see that hit 20. When that hits 20, we're really going to go for it. So I hope this video finds you well. I hope you're not freaked out by Jerome Powell. It's all right. He's going to spit some stuff in January again. It's going to be just fine. There's been a guy like that spitting out stuff multiple times a year since they created the Fed. And the market's going to do what it's going to do anyways. But what it's really going to do is play with your emotions. So it's going to try to shake everybody out. But we can't be shook, because the trading plan says put the sell order in, walk away. So what did we take? We took this guy. This passed. Which one did we take? Did we take this one? Just missed the dividend on that one. Just missed dividend on that one. But this is a double bottom. Boom. So if it breaks, it's bearish. But if it holds, this is very bullish. So life is good. I'm super excited. I wish we could do more activity. I wish we had $25,000 in this account. But we just don't. And I didn't when I started either. So if you want to see what's possible not with the PDT in effect, you can check out the blog and see me move money freely every day. There definitely opens up your possibilities. Now, people can overtrade and really screw their account up, but if you know what you're doing and you have a plan and you're disciplined, it can really exponentially grow your income. So I hope y'all are doing good. I'm excited. Hopefully this stuff sells, and we will wash it all over again. Have an awesome evening with the family. Work hard.